Item number 1.
Yes.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, here we have filed a writ appeal, Your Lordship, against the judgment and order dated passed by the learned single judge, Your Lordship. Lordship, we've also filed an application
Please
for
speak a little louder.
Your Lordship, we have filed an application for condonation of delay, Your Lordship, which is about 304 days, Your Lordship.
How many days
304 days, Your Lordship.
have you served?
No, Your Lordship. Notice has to go, Your Lordship.
This appeal is delayed. Stop. It is accompanied by an application for condonation of delay of
304 days, Your Lordship.
304 days under Section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963. List this appeal and the application on 24th March. Next service is to be effected in the meantime, and an affidavit of service / service report is to be filed before the returnable date.
Item number 2.
Your Lordship, it's a connected matter, Your Lordship.
Separate,
Separate, but it's connected from the same judgment, Your Lordship.
but a separate appeal.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Identical separate order.
Item number 3.
Yes, Dr. Mojita.
My lord, these matter services were complete, my lord. There are 28 respondents. We served all of them, my lord.
Complete.
Yes, my lord.
Nobody is appearing.
But no one is appeared, my lord.
On the last day also nobody appeared.
Yes, my lord.
What is this appeal about?
But this is pertaining to the Assam Rifle personnel, my lord. The learned single judge is directed for grant of pay scale, higher pay scale.
Where is the order?
Is 200, my lord.
Page?
200. My lord, why we filed appeal is because well, the matter is in the connected matter, the SLPs are pending before the Supreme Court, my lord. In para 4 of the order of Lordship kindly sees, I pointed out before the single judge that SLPs are pending against the judgment which has been referred to in this order.
The other one is that from Havildar, another post was created, warrant officer.
Yes, my lord.
They are also equivalent to warrant officer. Or there is some other grade, rank.
My lord, even that because your Lordship kindly sees the order, para 5, my lord, it says, there's no categorical timing.
This is a blanket order that Assam Rifles will be treated as other central forces and same rank and pay is to be given.
My lord. Because what happened, my lord, there are other matters pending before this honorable court, my lord, where I've argued that what the learned single judge granted was a double jump, my lord. At best, they can be entitled to one upgradation, my lord, but not two upgradation, my lord. That is, those are other matters, my lord.
That I do not know. One matter was before me that
Yes, my lord.
The applicants were bound by were under the 2020 or 22 notification.
My lord.
So they are on a separate footing. These warrant officer, Havildar, etc.
Yes, yes, my lord. But these matters I informed the council also, we played with the London single judge, my lord. But he did not accept notice in the first place, my lord. Then we had to serve directly on the respondent, my lord.
My brother delivered the single judge, trial court judgment, relying on the 2022 notification. Number two, they were sitting in the fence for so many years, and
My lord.
it is that order
Yes,
covering 1,000 odd
Yes,
employees who are in personam and not to be taken as rem.
Yes,
That judgment is there. This is a different thing.
because this judgment totally relies on 22 judgment of this honorable court, my lord. Now that is under SLP, my lord. Notices have been issued by the Supreme Court to the parties, my lord.
We will get the appeal ready for hearing. Whatever the Supreme Court will do, will do. If the Supreme Court stays this appeal and hears it out itself, it will do so. It will call up the papers.
My lord, in the meantime, we'll prepare paperwork, my lord. The delay has not been condoned, my lord, in this matter.
How many days delay?
148 days delay.
All right. An affidavit of service / service report is on record. Next, on 7th March 2025, none appeared for the respondents. Next, we kept this matter today to give them a chance to appear. Next, even today, none appears for them. Stop. No accommodation is sought. Next, we have perused the petition under Section 5 of the Limitation Act for condonation of delay of how many days?
148 days.
148 days in preferring the appeal. Full stop. We find that sufficient cause is shown. Full stop. In any event, none comes forward to oppose this application. Paragraph. In that view of the matter, we allow this application by condoning the delay. The registry is directed to register the appeal. How many respondents are there?
In this matter, there are 28 respondents, my lord.
Who is the advocate of record?
Mr. Chandra from Guwahati, he appeared for the single judgment. I informed him also, my lord. He said he has no instruction from the clients.
But he is appearing for them. He can take the notice and all that.
But here, normally what happens, my lord, they appear in a particular court only for matter, my lord. Single bench, they appear, my
Then
lord.
you will be able to serve notice of appeal on 28 respondents.
We have served, my lord.
No, this is the notice of this application.
We have served both, my lord. Along with the application of condonation, we have served the appeal also, my lord. If the lordship directs us to serve again, well, but we served the same. In fact, we have served, my lord.
No, notice of appeal is different. That the court has admitted the appeal, that notice goes.
But what we do, my lord, we serve both, my lord, along with the application of condonation, along with the appeal, my lord.
Notice of appeal is also served.
The copies of appeal have been served. Notice of appeal as such has not been served, my lord, along with the application for condonation, with appeal, my lord, with all the annexures, and notice from this honorable court only in this case, my lord, for condonation of delay. Because in the other matter, there are more than 100 of them, my lord. The next matter, my lord, there are 143 of them, my lord.
Their paper book has been filed.
No, my lord, these are connected matters coming together, my lord.
Paper books have not been filed.
Not been filed, my lord.
It can be heard on these papers. Or some more papers are required.
I'll file a compilation, paper book.
We expedite hearing of the appeal, dispensing with all formalities. We direct advocate on record for the appellants to prepare and file an informal paper book in this court by April 2nd, and serve a copy thereof on the advocate on record for the respondents, and in case he does not accept, advocate on record for the respondents at the trial court, and in case he does not accept, on the respondents individually, at least 7 days before the date fixed for hearing of the appeal. List this appeal for hearing on 14th April.
Next item, condemnations.
Item number 4.
This is a connected matter, my lord. Here the delay is 161 days, my lord.
Same order can be passed.
Same order will do, my
They have
lord.
been served, not appearing.
My lord.
Same order, delay 164 days.
But only one prayer, my lord, because since there are 143 respondents, my lord, this will be futile exercise of paper, my lord. If I serve them the entire paper book, my lord, of 143 of them. With lordship, earlier also I prayed before lordship.
No, are they represented by one advocate?
They are represented by the same advocate, my lord, before the trial court, in both the matters, my lord. Mr. Chanda appeared for both of them, my lord.
All right, you make it to serve on the advocate on record, appearing for the respondents at the trial court. And if he does not accept, please strike it out. Let him not accept, you come before us, then we will see.
My lord. Because what happened, my lord, for service of notice also, I prayed your lordship's leave at that time, my lord, not to give an excess, my lord.
No, if he accepts, then only one will do.
My lord.
Then you write there at the end, liberty to mention in case. No, where service is mentioned. Liberty to mention in case the learned advocate does not appear, does not accept service.
My lord.
Item number 5.
Deeply.
May it please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this matter is still pending in Supreme Court, my Lord.
All right, this writ petition is further adjourned till 15th April on the self-same ground as mentioned in our orders dated 14th November 2024, 10 December 2024 and 10th February 2025.
Item number 6.
My lordship, my lord.
The other one is similar.
No, no, my lord.
No, my lord.
This is different.
No, item number 5, second matter with.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, my lord.
So it should be identical order.
Yes, my lord.
But these are matters here. What happened, my lord? There was a ongoing boundary dispute between the state of Meghalaya and the state of Assam, my lord. So to settle that, my lord, the two governments sat together and exchanged some portion of land, my lord, by a memorandum of understanding, my lord.
No, 5 and 6 are separate appeals.
Separate, my lord.
Separate rate persons, my lord.
No, 5 and with so and so.
This is a miscase, my lord.
It will be one
Yes,
order.
sir.
Okay.
One order. will-
Okay, call 6.
Item number 6.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, here I'm seeking for a short accommodation, Your Lordship. The conducting,
This appeal is ready for hearing.
Yes, sir. We will file paper.
This is the boundary dispute.
No, the previous matter was boundary dispute, my lord. Now, this is with regard to, here what happened, my lord, there was a recruitment process for the post of nurse in Assam Rifles, my lord. Now, the respondent was suffering from, she had undergone LASIK surgery, my lord.
Recruitment for the post of?
Nurse. She had undergone the LASIK surgery, my lord. On that ground, she was rejected, my lord, because the rules provide that LASIK surgery is not accepted in paramilitary forces, my lord. Now, that portion has been set aside by the London Secretary.
What is LASIK surgery?
Is eye surgery, my lord, some kind of, for correction of vision, my lord.
Your Lordship, the conducting counsel, Mr. B. Patak, is in Arunachal, Your Lordship. As such, he has difficulty, Your
When
Lordship.
should we fix it?
26, Your Lordship. 26th of March, Your Lordship. If
26, there are other matters fixed, my lord. Those bonded warehouse matters are fixed on 26. Take some other date. The 26, 27, and 23 days are fixed for those matters, my lord. Mr. Banerjee is arguing that matter, my lord, and Mr. Jishnu Shah.
then any other day, Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship. Please, Your Lordship.
17th, 18th matters are fixed.
No, sir. On 17th.
Matter fixed.
No, sir.
17th.
You pay that, Your Lordship.
I'm deep.
On the prayer of learned counsel for the respondent and by consent of learned counsel for the parties, hearing of this appeal is fixed on 17th March.
Item number 7.
Deep.
May I please, Your Lordship? Since my senior is under treatment, he cannot work properly, he got fracture. Therefore, maybe adjourn for 2 weeks.
Your Lordship, I'm for the respondent number 1 to 4. Lordship, I have no objection as they are having a personal difficulties, Your Lordship.
On the prayer of learned advocate for the appellant
I'm for respondent.
and with the consent of learned counsel for the parties, this appeal is adjourned till 7th April.
Item number 8. Oblige, Your Lordship.
Yes, please.
May it please, Lordship. Your Lordship, this appeal has been admitted, but today the counsel for the appellant is not present before this honorable court. So I pray for some accommodation, my lord. If matter could be fixed after 2
You are
weeks.
for the respondent.
Yes, I am for the respondent, Your Lordship.
You will pray for adjournment for the
I mean,
appellant.
Your Lordship, they are not present today. Lord.
Why should you pray? Let the appeal be dismissed.
Sure, Lordship.
Don't be so charitable. None appears for the appellant. The respondent is represented by learned counsel. The appeal is ready for hearing.
Yes.
In the first line, you write after the first line, even a prayer for adjournment is not made on its behalf. Then respondent is lists this appeal once again on 12th March. If none appears for the appellant on that day, we will dismiss the appeal for default. Advocate on record for the respondent will notify this order to the advocate on record for the appellant by today.
Lordship.